Welcome to this video demonstration of connecting a smartphone up to a Mini via the USB cable. The first thing we want to do is connect up the phone itself. So on a Mini, at the bottom here is where the USB connection is. We're using an iPhone for the purpose of this demonstration, so if I just push the other end of that in, you'll hear it beep to say that it's charging. Nothing will change up on the screen at this point in time, but there's various different settings we can go to where you will see that the phone is now connected. Those two settings are Mini Connected and your media. Essentially, if you want to listen to music in this car and you connect up a smartphone, you have access to a multitude of services. So these are services that you sign up to or subscribe to, so pay for. But essentially what it means is that right now in this car as we stand, we've got millions upon millions of songs available to us, as well as audio books as well. So for example, if we wanted to listen to music via Napster, we can select Napster, and everything that I'm selecting in the Mini, it's all done using the iDrive system just here. So I'm turning this dial, I'm pushing this button in to select various different tracks and listen to music. But if we look up on the screen just here, so on my personal Napster account, I have a certain element of songs which are downloaded and saved to the car itself. So all of these here, for example, these are all playlists that I've actually saved to the device. So if I want to listen to this song, for argument's sake, I don't need to stream the music. I'm not using my internet, as it were. I'm simply listening to music that I've downloaded. So if we turn the volume up on the stereo, you can hear that working there in the background now. But the great thing with this system is that, and it will use data, you can search for music that you've not saved. So for example, we could go to top tracks, and Napster will give us all of the tracks it feels are the top tracks. So if we wanted to listen to this one, for example, we press play, and that will now start streaming in the car. So this is using data on your phone, and there it is playing. But it's giving you access to, as I said, millions of songs. Further still, you could, if you'd rather, listen to music via Spotify. So both systems work on this car, Napster and Spotify, or you can listen to your audiobooks on top of that.